Hi, kids! Are you ready to learn the ABCs with some animals? Let's go! A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for newt. O is for ostrich. P is for panda. Q is for quokka. R is for rabbit. S is for squirrel. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for wolf. X is for xeris. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Great job, friends! You learned all the ABCs. Come back tomorrow for more fun learning with your animal buddies. Subscribe for more fun learning videos. Which animal was your favorite? Tell us in the comments.